We're about to spend the next 5 days exploring the gorgeous city of Cartagena and its neighboring Rosario Islands. We'll do some exploring, have some good food, and some bugs, and see some questionable things.
It's an alien.
It's got a cloud with it.
There's just a lot going on here.
It's gotta be a while. It might be the longest line I've ever seen in my life. Okay, so that was only half the line I'll show you.
It turns out it was lunch break for passport control. It actually took 2 whole hours.
It's unbelievable.
We stayed in a cute part of town called Getsemani in this beautiful Airbnb.
¿Me pueden entender un poquito?
Sí.
Sí. Ah, bueno, perfecto.
Ah, gracias.
¿Qué es esto?
So excited.
Limonada.
Limonada, gracias.
Sí.
Gracias.
Mi nombre es Nasli. De
Nasli.
mucho gusto.
Mucho gusto.
La persona que nos...
Nasili took great care of us, making delicious breakfasts and keeping our rooms clean. We spent the rest of our first day in Cartagena checking out the views from our rooftop, and then exploring our neighborhood. First stop, arepas.
Cheers!
I like your cheers here.
The next day, we did more exploring, including Parque del Centenario, where you can surprisingly find some wildlife,
Hide and seek, sloth edition.
Yeah. Come here, slothy, slothy, slothy.
We did find a sloth, and actually some monkeys too. And then the old city. During the day, you spend most of your time avoiding hat vendors and this guy with his flock of creepy pigeons.
They're like, please feed us. Oh, he's got them trained.
We also took a taxi to Boca Grande, the city beach where we had lunch. And unfortunately, I somehow recorded everything in slow motion, so enjoy this cinematic montage of the rest of the day. That evening, we watched the sunset over the city ramparts while the windsurfers gave us quite a show.
Where's this guy going? Where's this guy going? That seems so scary.
So close to the road. Oh my god, this is so terrible. This is such a bad idea.
How much trouble would I be in if I did that?
Yeah. So much trouble. Look, there's someone else doing it too. They're gonna have to cross. It was so nice down there. Why are we going back center?
Cause trouble.
We had dinner at La Cevichería, aptly named for its delicious ceviche.
They could have at least made that mermaid cute.
Yeah, I think mermaids aren't supposed to be that cute, you know?
Mermaids are like mean.
They like, right, don't they like sing to get you to jump in the water?
Yeah, there's a siren.
Sirens, but I think they could be mermaid sirens.
Fish of the day.
Mahi-mahi.
Yes. A lot of food.
Eggplant and stuff.
It's good though.
That looks really good.
There's just a lot going on here. Look at this. How crazy. We thought we were just staying in this little quiet, quaint place.
Cut. Play.
We tried to go to bed, but then we heard cool music, and now we're gonna get a drink and meet on a stick.
That's all Heather's idea.
Fuck yeah. Chicken and potato.
learned that every night is essentially an outdoor food court. And a dance club on every street. It doesn't stop. Unless a car is coming through. The next morning, we visited San Felipe Fort. Built by the Spanish in the 1600s to defend the city from pirates, it's full of tunnels and lots of steps. Worth it, though, for the view at the top.
Straight down. I don't love the smell of this in here.
You know, some skulls would look really nice in here.
Skulls?
If I were to decorate.
It's a very dark staircase.
We lost your husband again. Well, he'll be fine.
We emerged from the cave and he's nowhere to be found.
Refreshed.
He was brought to the gallows.
He would have known that we were going this way, probably. Just made choices.
Oh yeah. He likes walking on walls and going in caves.
No, I ended up over one of these walls.
Seis personas?
Okay.
We took a break at Restaurante Fuerte del Pastelillo for lunch with city views.
Salud.
Salud. Gracias.
And then we were picked up for our afternoon adventure, an ATV tour. The details were pretty minimal on this, and for a moment we were a little worried that we fell for a scam.
Where are we going?
We don't know. Nobody knows.
They have ATVs, that's a good sign.
Yeah. That is actually a good sign.
But it turned out to be a really fun experience. Lunch was included on a hill overlooking the ocean, and there was a seafood option for an additional fee. Later, we headed back out for a unique snack.
Yeah, you weren't very specific about what kind of street meat you wanted.
Oh yeah, that's not good at all.
No.
I will not be eating the ants. I'm a vegetariano. Yo soy vegetariano.
What's your excuse?
It's very Here's my religion. Take it very serious about your religion.
Can I get a cracker or something with it?
No.
Like with guacamole?
You can get a gin tonic with it. That's what you can get with it.
I gotta get this over with.
It's not bad. It does taste like nuts. Just swallow it.
I mean, it tastes like it smells.
It's not bad.
Justin?
Well, we're gonna save these for later.
I'm ready for the flavor to go away though.
Of course, we had to head over to Cafe Havana, which is popular for live music and salsa dancing. They even have dancers that will help you learn a few moves.
I'm really feeling the vibe of this town.
It's a good vibe.
Good vibe.
We had an early wake-up call in the morning because we had to catch our boat that would be taking us to Coralina, a small island in the chain of Rosario Islands off the coast. While leaving the harbor, we saw this submarine, which was an interesting sight to say the least.
That's crazy. I have never seen anything like that before. I want to see it go down.
Mike, can we just do this? Can we do it?
Yeah, go down.
as I got, we're going to a pretty beach for like 20 minutes, and then we're going to 2 or 3 cool islands.
This isn't bad. This is lovely.
I'm gonna walk in thinking this is completely safe, so I enjoy it.
Yeah, I think that's a very fair assumption. I'm going to do the same thing. I mean, Carlos sent us here. I feel like.
I mean, what do we have to lose? Except for everything that we brought.
You know what? Yeah, it's fine.
I want to know what the Pablo Escobar is. That's 4 times as much as all the other.
So, but it does come in a pineapple. So.
I'm just sinking right now, so I'm just gonna pull myself back up.
Ah, yes. Well, cheers. I mean, that's pretty delicious.
Yeah.
Minus the flies. Ah! Sorry.
What's happening?
Flies. A fly landed on
Can
me.
we get some raid?
Yeah, can you
Can we
please
get some
come?
raid?
Can you come spray my hands, please?
And finally, we arrived at our hotel.
The water is very clear here.
Wow.
We had some lunch while our rooms were being prepared.
Dead-eyed, straight ahead,
We
chugging
did.
water.
We ordered Tres Aqua.
Well, I didn't want to feel crappy today.
No, you did a really good job.
You
How do you
did,
feel?
and
Do you feel good?
Drinking causes inflammation. If his lungs are already inflamed.
Right.
No, we're fixing
He
that.
likely-
Give him drugs.
This
Yeah,
isn't probably healthy.
Dr. Jamie. Yeah.
I do a lot of Googling.
Do you want my water too? Here you go.
We all have our Colombian names.
Magua.
I'm really good at my name's Margarita, not Agua.
Why?
Margarita's way cooler.
It is. It's a way better name.
I sustain life.
I do too.
Yeah, fair enough.
I don't know, where's Red?
After lunch, we checked out the hotel grounds and we were showed to our rooms.
Welcome to my room. It's like an Bora Bora, super cute.
It's a waterfront bungalow.
Right? Super cute. I went in, I was like, oh my god, I feel very fancy right now. Hi, Jackie.
I heard like a couple of weeks.
Oh, they're gonna turn the lights on.
And as we enjoyed the sunset from our deck, we saw something very strange in the sky.
Look right here. Look up. Come over here. What is that? Jason, come here.
It's going fast though. Like
It's gotta be a plane.
It's going faster than you think a plane would go, but I do agree that it's probably a plane.
But planes look different than that. Guys,
Are there any blinking lights?
Look how like it's getting brighter as it gets closer too.
Seriously, if anyone out there knows what this is, please comment below because we are stumped.
Well, it's not a cloud, right?
no.
The cloud is
No, there's no
Is that a cloud?
there's no clouds.
Right, like it's
There's no cloud there?
Look at the star that's right there.
What the hell is that?
There's no clouds, Jason. It's an
No,
alien.
It's got a cloud with it. That is actually
I'm
really
not,
crazy.
I would go get them, but I'm not leaving. It's doing very consistent.
It's like very fast, you guys. Like that is not the plane. It's bringing itself a cloud.
It has a cloud around it.
Yeah, I have no reasonable explanation what that is. It says plane.
Wait, that one's moving above it too. There's another one, a small one above it. It's moving with it.
Oh yeah.
It's moving with it.
It's going really quick.
That's an airplane.
No, it's not. Neither of those are airplanes.
The top one has
No, it's not.
no. The cloud's moving with it. It's fucking. Yeah, that is weird.
So obviously after that, we all needed a drink
Super good.
and an early bedtime.
All wow. Freaking citrus. Cheers.
That is a long-tailed grackle, I think is what it said.
The next day, we spent some time swimming in the warm water,
Open my eyes.
kayaking around the island, hanging out at the hotel's private cove, and of course, practicing our new salsa moves.
I think that was great.
That was pretty good.
Good move.
Yeah, it was good. Right, it was like...
But we had to get prepared for our excursion that evening. After dark, we were setting out to see some bioluminescence.
I'm excited for this.
But as we're waiting here for our boat, I do need to sort of set the stage. Again, details were minimal, and with our limited Spanish, we weren't really able to figure out what was actually happening. So we get on this boat and we literally drive for 40 minutes in complete and utter darkness. So apologies for the very low light video, but be assured this is what it was actually like to be there.
I hope not mañana.
Please no. Mañana.
We all wash up.
Glowing. We'll be glowing. I had to guess. I'd say we're going to this little lagoon that's inside of the island.
What island? It's our way back there. If someone finds this video, we're somewhere off the coast of Pablo Escobar's house. We're on a boat with no lights. And we have 0 life jackets.
Yeah. Oh, no.
No food or water.
Send help.
After we arrive, our only instruction is get out.
This definitely feels like a crocodile, like horror movie.
Jason, you go in the water first.
Yeah, okay, fine.
And here we are in the water seeing absolutely nothing.
Go search for glowing things.
What are we looking for? We don't know.
As I'm sure you can hear, we're having a blast.
We don't know where we're going. I've always loved you.
And finally, we did actually see some bioluminescence.
Yeah. If you kick your legs fast and put your goggles underwater, you see them.
Making for some riveting video. Oh, you can do it.
I can't. I
You can
can't.
do it.
It's like we're.
You can do it.
Oh my god.
Just use your
I have
time.
to get a new phone.
I mean, how did it make it through all those layers of trees?
It was destiny.
After a crazy week with stories we'd be retelling for years, it was time to go home.
We're glad you came back.
Can I get a second noodle? I need a crotch noodle. Can someone give me a crotch noodle? No. There's no more noodles. What about crotch noodle? Don't you understand?